Healthy lungs are the secret to a strong, energetic life. They deliver oxygen to every cell in your body and remove harmful carbon dioxide. But when your lung health declines, even simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or talking can leave you breathless. Today, I'll share 10 powerful, science-backed tips to keep your lungs healthy, strong, and efficient, especially after the age of 60. 1. Quit smoking. Let's start with the biggest one, smoking. It's the leading cause of lung damage. Quitting, even after years of smoking, can restore lung function and reduce the risk of diseases like COPD and lung cancer. Seek help through support groups, medications, or smoking cessation programs. Remember, it's never too late to quit. 2. Stay active. Your lungs love movement. Exercise strengthens your respiratory muscles and helps your lungs work more efficiently. Just 30 minutes of walking, swimming, or light jogging most days of the week can make a world of difference. 3. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing increases your lung capacity. Try this. Inhale deeply through your nose. Let your belly rise. Then slowly exhale through your mouth. Just 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing each day can boost your oxygen intake. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat impacts how you breathe. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports strong lungs. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, and broccoli protect your lung tissue from damage. 5. Stay hydrated. Water keeps the mucus in your lungs thin, making it easier to clear out irritants and germs. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. 6. Avoid air pollutants. Pollution, chemicals, and dust can harm your lungs over time. Use an air purifier indoors, avoid secondhand smoke, and try not to walk in heavily polluted areas. 7. Practice good hygiene. Infections like the flu or pneumonia can be dangerous for aging lungs. Wash your hands often, avoid close contact with sick people, and keep your vaccinations up to date. 8. Lung strengthening exercises. Special exercises like pursed lip breathing and huff coughing can improve breathing efficiency. These are often recommended by respiratory therapists to keep lungs strong. 9. Manage stress. Stress changes your breathing pattern and can tighten your chest. Relax with meditation, yoga, or simply quiet time in nature. A calm mind equals calmer, healthier lungs. 10. Regular checkups. Don't ignore your lungs. Regular checkups with your doctor help detect early signs of problems. If you ever feel shortness of breath, wheezing, or chest pain, get checked immediately. Take care of your lungs. They'll take care of you. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.